The core benefits are that we save a lot of money and it's very convenient to always have CO2 in stock.
With a team consisting of experienced engineers, CO2 experts, and brewers, Dalim is designing and manufacturing the leading craft-scale CO2 recovery plants. Breweries from all over the world are using Dalim CO2 recovery technology to secure a self-sufficient supply of CO2, to protect from shortages and price increases, and to lower their carbon footprint. 1 ton of CO2 recovered is equivalent to 2 tons less released into the atmosphere. Designed specifically for craft-scale CO2 collection, the plant has proprietary and patented technology, an oil-free 3-stage variable speed compressor, and only 100% food-safe materials are in contact with the CO2. There's no need for an additional refrigeration system, balloon, or carbon filter. Our unique liquefaction and purification process provides beverage-grade CO2 with 99.9% purity or higher, and the removal of oxygen, odors, and trace contaminants. Our clients are proud to provide customers with CO2 derived from natural fermentation versus industrial processes such as ammonia or fertilizer production. With our plug-and-play system, you can easily connect directly to the bulk CO2 tank for storage and reuse. The compact Dalim plant fits into any brewery and allows brewers to cut costs and lower carbon emissions from day one, strengthening supply chain resilience.
Efter en lang periode med stigende energipriser og et marked, der efterspørger grønnere tiltag, så har vi valgt at investere i et CO2-anlæg, der kan opsamle vores CO2 og omdanne væsken, vi kan bruge til tapning af øl og sodavand.
Vi som bryggere har ret godt styr på fermenteringerne, så vi kender grundlaget for den CO2, som vi i sidste ende kommer til selv at producere med hjælp af anlæggene fra Dalim Equipment.
I can tell that the quality of the CO2 is very fine. We are very pleased to use our own produced CO2. It comes directly from our own fermenters, so we know exactly what's in it, and that's satisfying.
Jeg mener helt klart, det giver god mening og selv kan forsyne sig med brug af CO2. Det gør vi med indkøb af disse 2 anlæg, og udover det, så synes jeg også, at leveringssikkerheden har et kæmpe plus på det her. Så derfor mener jeg, at for andre bryggerier rundt omkring, vil det være en rigtig, rigtig god investering.
Environmental friendly beer. Cheers.